वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे।
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए गाकर पीड़ा भोगी। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम भजकर हुआ वियोगी। कुछ कहते भारत की आत्मा, कुछ कहते हैं संत। बापू से बन गया महात्मा, साबरमती का संत। सत्य अहिंसा की मूरतवा, चरखा खादी वाला। आज़ादी के रंग में जिसने जग को ही रंग डाला। Mahatma Gandhi. These two words conjure up images of one man's greatness and sacrifice to achieve the happiness of millions. Born as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on 2nd October 1869, Gandhi worked tirelessly and at a great cost to himself for the freedom of India. He is one icon who is loved and respected by people across the globe. This Gandhi Jayanti, drawing inspiration from famous sayings by the Mahatma, let's teach our children valuable life lessons about peace, non-violence, honesty, and more. These teachings are not only simple but provide valuable lessons on life. Lesson number 1. Live life to the fullest. It is the quality of your life that matters, not the speed with which you live. We must fill our days with interesting activities and make sure we spend some time outdoors and indulges in free play. Lesson number 2. Always speak the truth. Even if you are a minority of one, the truth is the truth. One day, during a routine examination in school, Gandhi and his peers were asked to spell 5 words. Gandhi didn't know the spelling of kettle and misspelled it. While the examination inspector was doing his rounds, the teacher noticed the wrong spelling and prompted Gandhi to copy the right one from the student sitting next to him. But Gandhi refused to do it, and his mistake was caught by the inspector. Later, when the teacher asked him why he did not copy from his neighbor, Gandhi said that he'd rather be wrong than cheat. Lesson number 3. Let the change begin from you. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Self-realization is one of the ways to achieve success. Lesson number 4. Believe in love. The day the power of love overrules the love of power, the world will know peace. As we grow up, we come across many people from different backgrounds based on ethnicity, language, religion, and so on. We should love and give respect to every individual. Lesson number 5. Think before you act. The future depends on what you do today. Each simple act or decision matters. This statement by Gandhi teaches us that we are responsible for our future, as our actions in the present determine the future. Lesson number 6. Live to learn. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. learn as if you were to live forever. This statement by Gandhi teaches us to be lifelong learners, yet to remember to enjoy every moment of learning and living. Each experience in life teaches us something new, and we should always be ready to learn both inside and outside the classroom. Lesson number 7: Be positive. A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. A positive attitude toward life is the key to achieving goals. Lesson number 8: Learn to forgive. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. When one is wronged, it's natural to want to retaliate in kind. Revenge does not lead to happiness or peace. It is important to learn to forgive. Lesson number 9: Be true to yourself. A no uttered from the deepest conviction is better than a yes, merely uttered to please or worse, to avoid trouble. Like Gandhi, it is important to be true to yourself, no matter what the consequences are. Lesson number 10: Care for Mother Earth. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. He believed that every individual should behave responsibly towards the environment to protect and nurture it. Let's follow the path of truth and spread the message of the father of the nation. 2 अक्टूबर को मिलकर हम सब गांधी जयंती मनाएंगे। अपने अच्छे कर्मों से उनके सपनों का भारत बनाएंगे। गांधी जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।